Hello, in front of me I have GoPro MAX and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this device. Let's start by swiping down from the top of the screen to open this menu, then tap on the preferences right here. Now let's scroll down, find the touchscreen option and tap on it. And here we have brightness at the bottom. Let's tap on it. Now we can change the brightness by just swiping up and down on the slider on the right side, like this. And once you're done, just tap on the screen. And that's how you change the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.